There are a lot of words with Arabic origin in the Spanish language. Here are 18 common ones and what they mean in English. Aceite means oil. Aceite de oliva means olive oil. Ajedrez means chess. Juguemos ajedrez. Let's play chess. Alcalde means mayor. El alcalde habló en la conferencia. The mayor spoke at the conference. Alfombra means carpet or rug. La alfombra es suave. The carpet is soft. Almohada means pillow. Mi almohada es suave. My pillow is soft. Atún means tuna. Odio el atún. I hate tuna. Azúcar means sugar. El azúcar es dulce. Sugar is sweet. Barrio means neighborhood. Tu barrio es tranquilo. Your neighborhood is quiet. Cifra means digit or figure. La cifra es baja. The figure is low. Dinero means money. Dale el dinero. Give him the money. Hasta means until or up to. Espere hasta mañana. Wait until tomorrow. Hazaña means feat or achievement. Mi hazaña fue impresionante. My feat was impressive. Jabón means soap. El jabón es blanco. The soap is white. Ojalá means hopefully or I hope that. Ojalá llueva mañana. Hopefully it will rain tomorrow. Rehén means hostage. El rehén fue liberado. The hostage was released. Rincón means corner. El gato siempre duerme en el rincón. The cat always sleeps in the corner. Taza means cup or mug. La taza está llena. The cup is full. Zanahoria means carrot. Compra zanahorias en el mercado. Buy carrots at the market.